Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of a finished dress. I've already showed you some of the details when we were making the dress. I showed you how the collar was made very thoroughly. I also showed you the placket and the pockets. I showed you the way the details were etched with the bias binding. The dress is ready. This shirt dress is very beautiful. We had to show it to you. I wanted to understand what is a high-quality garment. It's a garment in which all the details were made accurately and attentively. It's a garment which you wear with pleasure. It's a garment which won't be damaged when you wear it for a couple of times. The collar and the placket were doubled with the interfacing material. The details etched with the bias binding make the dress look exquisite. There are tiny slits in the side seams. We love the dress, and we decided to show it to you. I wanted to have a close look at the collar. I showed you most of the details in the previous video. Have a close look at the cuffs once again. You know that all of the seams are perfect. I showed you the way these angles were etched. I showed you the way the details were etched with the bias binding. I remind you that it ends right on the fold. We managed to do it because we knew the width of the overcast in advance. We showed you these details in the previous videos very thoroughly. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. I think that this shirt dress is very beautiful. It's made of the high-quality cotton fabric. The fabric doesn't look cheap. The waistband ends with the round details. The dress is made of the white cotton fabric with the multicolored prints. Have a close look at the fabric. I love the print. I love the quality. I love the way the dress made of this fabric looks like. Oля decided not to attach the belt loops here. You can do it if you want. Oля decided not to do it because she wants to wear this dress without the waistband sometimes. This is how the dress looks like without the waistband. It's absolutely straight. There are slits in the side seams. The dress looks good both with the waistband and without it. Notice that there is a chest dart here. We made the dart opening a bit smaller for the dress not to be too tight here. I showed you the way this dress looks like on Ola, the way it looks like with the waistband and without it. Have a close look at all the details once again. I showed them to you when we were making the dress, and now you know how they look like stitched together. Shirt dresses are never out of style. Shirt dresses, just like classic white shirts, are always in trend. You will always look amazing wearing a shirt dress. Make shirt dresses of different designs, colors and styles. I've already showed you different types of the shirt dresses. It would take you some time and efforts to make such dresses. It's not that easy, but it's not too hard either. I hope that you agree that the result is worth it. Remember that practice makes perfect. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Pakshta Irina and Ola. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.